Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So one of my older videos, I took a very rusted, what was a part of a torque wrench, and I cleaned it up and just made it into this little deal. You know, I've used it a few times since then actually, but I was digging through some rusted tools and I found these two that are almost identical, but these don't appear to be from a torque wrench. This one was from a torque wrench because it had this little hole where the indicator went. These, however, don't have that. I think these little heads slide up and down on them, but I'm not certain. So I figure it's worth a little cleanup and just to see if they work. So let's get after it. Well, that was disappointing. You know, I don't know how these little ball things work on a socket set, but this is not the first time that I've had problems. I've never heard it make that sound when I was trying to squish it before, but it certainly sounded like something broke. I've always assumed it was a ball with a little spring and you could just smush it in and out, but maybe that's not the case. I just don't know. But you know, I cleaned them up, and if it weren't for that, they'd be fine. But here's the other thing: you can buy a brand new one for $14. I found it online. At the same time, I figured out what it was called. I didn't know what these things were called, but in any case, it was a fun adventure, and we tried and failed, and it's no big deal. So, see you next time. Thanks.